Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere. This adventure sport 1200cc twin cylinder shaft drive, liquid cooled, fuel injected. It's loaded with upgrades. It's got the covers on the lights, mad stat adjustable windscreen, engine guards, rock guards, Corbin custom seat, rear luggage. What can I say? It's in beautiful shape. Only 34,000 miles. Price to sell just $69.99. Come on by, check it out. Make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Did I say shaft drive? Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.